There's a little shop on Maple Street. Smells like sugar, but it's all make-believe. Foam layer stacked like a wedding dream. Painted frosting in a pastel theme. Paintbrush dancing in the afternoon light. Sequins shining like a neon night. She laughs when the glitter hits the floor, 'cause she knows it's coming back for more. She wipes her hands on her denim sleeve, but that sparkle never wants to leave. Oh, Daphne glitters spinning in the sun. Fake cake queen, but the sparkle's real fun. Covered head to toe by the time she's through. Shining brighter than a Texas moon. She says hope, love and faith every day, while the glitter clouds drift away.
Hi, this is Daphne with Glittered Up with Daphne, and so I'm going to be making some like filled cookies, so where they look like they're filled with like lemon tart stuff. So I have this, this is like a yellow foam clay, kind of a little dry. Might have to get rid of some of this. Anyway, this is just the foam clay that I got from Hobby Lobby with some yellow. It's like a light yellow. So I mixed it to get a color that I was happy with. And it could be really any color that you want. I didn't want it very dark. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use cookie cutter and I'm going to cut 2 cookies out with this shape right here. And this is just a cookie cutter that I got off Amazon, and it had like different sizes. And I had these also came in different sizes. Now this came from Hobby Lobby in a set of different round. So this is like one of the smaller ones, and this is like I think the medium. So anyway, I'm gonna just kind of work this up a little bit. So I need 2 cookies cut with this shape right here, the scalloped edges. So I've been kind of decorating the house, getting ready. So when I take down my Easter stuff, I go kind of straight into the patriotic, and I leave that all summer. So it covers Labor Day, Memorial Day, and the 4th of July. So I just do all of it. So see if I can roll it out enough to get 2. Let me get 2. I think so. Okay, so I just rolled this out kind of thin because it's going to be like a sandwich cookie. Then I need one more. Oh, there we go. Didn't get it good. If I can't do that a little better. Yeah. Oh, I still didn't get it. I'll just roll it out and do it again. So there we go. This time I'll make sure to get it good. So press down kind of hard. Go around to get that the little pieces that are left. Okay, there we go. So now that I've got this piece, I'm going to try to center this. I never quite get it in the center like I want. I always mess up a little bit, but they still came out pretty good. There we go. Oh, I rolled that up. I'm really not doing that great with these. Yeah, I think I gotta do it over again. It's hard working on this. I have this end table that I work on and I don't use anything so it doesn't move like this thing moves. But I don't really want to do it on this table because this is a table belonged to my mom. And she had it specially made in the Philippines when my dad was in the Navy. So definitely, it's not perfect, this table, but no, I certainly don't want to do anything to hurt it. All right. See if I did all right on it this time. Yeah. Right. So now I need to do the center piece. There. I think I did better that time. I did. But I still got it off center. But that's all right. So, so that's basically the cookie. And then this will go on top. But this has to dry before it can be finished. But luckily, I have some that are already done. So the way I'm going to do the filling is I'm going to use my glue gun. And so what I do is I just put glue on it. So this is going to be like the filling. And I try not to burn myself, which I'm good at doing. I am so good at doing. And so then that has to dry like this. It dries up. And when it dries up, you're going to have like this. So now, when I first started doing this, I just grabbed the marker out and I thought this was a yellow. Turns out it's not exactly yellow. It's got a little bit of a green tint. So about half of the cookies I did with this marker before I realized. So what I do is I just color it and it gives it a bit of a tint. So it looks like it's like jelly filled. So I just kind of go all the way around the outside edge. Like this. And then I just color over the middle. And you see how it's kind of making it look yellow, like yellow. So once I have that colored, Then I'm going to take the glue gun again, and I'm going to go over the top of it. And you can see the yellow through this, and it just kind of gives it a cool look. So once I've got it all over that, then I'm just going to put this on it and kind of mash it in a little bit. And then that looks like a jelly-filled cookie. And so you can see I have these already done. So that's what it looks like. I probably shouldn't put that one in there till it dries better, but you get the idea. So that's what it comes out looking. And you can see these are kind of green looking, but it's still, I think they'll be fine. I mean, I'm good enough with it. So there you go. I hope that might give you some ideas of something you might want to try. And I think they're pretty cool looking. I think they look like a jelly filled, and it's a lot easier than working with like resin or something, because it dries pretty quick. I mean, it does take it a few minutes because you put it on kind of thick, but it's a lot easier. You don't have to mix anything. You can just squirt it on and you're good to go. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you'll give this a like, and please sub to my channel because it'll really help me grow. And I look forward to hearing from you. And don't forget to keep love, hope, and faith in your heart. Thank you.